got a piece of shit Mo Power here today. We're gonna be clearing the cats. So we're gonna keep the stock exhaust and we're gonna clear the cats. So that's gonna be the project today. We're here with Brandon. Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Okay, what's your name?
Brandon.
All right, what's your occupation?
Fiber optic specialist. Saying ass mother.
We're gonna put it on jack stands out there just because we're gonna use the room in the garage when we're clearing them because it's kind of a pain in the ass to clear them. Yeah, we're gonna put on jack stands to get the exhaust ready to take down. She got a little bit of a beating on her. Tell us a story about what happened with every single accident here.
Oh, I'll tell you, all right. I knew one guy had a fucking hit it in the front, like up here. This is from a Camaro that hit me while my car was parked. This is from a shitty ass Mustang that hit me while my car was parked. This was from some car I don't even know that hit me when my car was parked. I can't park this car, bro. Oh, that's why I let my sister drive my car.
Your sister was driving it?
Yeah.
Bro, why is it bugging? No, you gotta go high. You don't have as much room as possible. So how long have you had this car?
2 years.
2 years?
You like it? Fuck yeah.
We do not care.
Yeah. All right, so we got the jacks. Put on jacks.
It's all good.
All right, as y'all can see, we removed one muffler last time, but this one was welded, so you can't remove both of them. So we already, you know, did a little damage here. All right, so we took a look at the exhaust and everything is just stock under there. What are you doing?
Sleeve on.
Bro, you got something on your back.
Bro, imagine like, you got something on your back, you take out the thing, like, it's a Challenger.
So all we have to do is basically take the entire thing down. There's a header bolts, there's like a couple hangers, and that's really it. Ah, my eye!
You good?
Yeah, got a little dirt.
Oh, that muffler was just bolts too, bro.
Everything's just bolts.
I didn't know that.
Oh, that was easy. Can't get this shit on. I hate you. This bullshit.
Okay, you look like Bernard.
Go get this. It's a 5/8. Get it in this size, but get it in the short one. Okay. You got it?
Yep.
All right, go get it.
Guys, we're gonna set his garage on fire.
What's taking so long? Don't waste my time, bro. What the fuck are you doing? Break my face. Okay. I was biting that hoe. Alright, I'm about to get it right now, but about to come down on me, and then I'm gonna be pissed.
Call your mom.
You hear me? It doesn't fucking matter.
Do you hear me? I'm not afraid anymore.
What's that from?
Home Alone.
Shut the f up.
Okay.
You got a little bit of damage up here.
Yeah. And that I do, brother.
Calm down. All right, yeah, I could probably reach it from up there.
Well, think you got it.
Ow!
And the neighborhood's cooked.
All right, let's see how loud it is. Oh shit, let me move this out of the way. Is that a little tutor?
This smells like shit.
Yeah, that's what no cats does. Oh, stop. All right, what you think about that?
That sounds pretty good. So you think it'll sound better with the resonators on? Like better, like a better tone?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. To get it equaled up on the other side, we're gonna cut this muffler off about right here. And also, we're going to clear the cat here. Oh yeah, here. So that's the cat right there. It's like a little honeycomb. We're gonna clear that out, and then we'll get more horsepower and also a better sound. How you like that? Brandon is gonna handle this part. He's got the pry bar, a mallet, and he's basically just gonna crush the inside of that while I work on using the angle grinder, and I'm gonna cut this right here and make it even. And then, yeah. Look at this. It's gonna get blocked, so pull it out and pull the chunks off the end. Wonder why you have less horsepower.
The fuck is that, cotton?
What did you do? What did I do? Look what this motherfucker did. Look. I was wondering why the vacuum wasn't working, and he dropped the mallet. He fucking did this shit. That's what happens when you're an idiot, Brandon. I'm getting this fixed up, and then over there, what you doing?
Putting it back on real quick.
He's putting it back on. All we have to do is put it back on, and then we'll be ready to take a test drive. That is fine. Yeah, we're done. Good enough. Good boy. Too fast, bro. How you think it's gonna sound?
Good.
Good? I think it sounds like shit. Welcome to the challenge, yeah.
All right, bro. Time to meet Zeus.
It still feels so tamed.
Yeah, it does. It feels calm.
You want to cut the resonators off?
Yeah.
Okay, let's cut the resonators off. Ah! Get this shit back. Oh. Second try. No resonators this time. Woo, that's a lot louder. Holy shit. Oh yeah. Woo, damn. You like that?
That sounds perfect.
You like that?
That's perfect right there, bro. A little bit, huh? Like the tone.
Yeah, a little Kim, a little. Yeah. Yeah, you like to wake up the neighborhood? Bro's loving it.
Oh my, that's crazy. I love my car now, bro. Woo!
Alright, how did you like it?
10 out of 10. Would come to Tony's again.
Heard that. Bring your pieces of shit to Tony's house. He'll get your piece of shit challenger. That's it. We're gonna end the video off here. We had a little fun. Broke my vacuum, but that's okay. He paid a total of $700 for this. No, I'm just kidding. He didn't pay shit.
Freaks on set up that guy.